So Barney's just putting the mic on the back. Let's scare him a little bit.
Unfazed.
Scared the shit out of me.
Always wear goggles. Well, that's where we're getting wrong already. Right, so the RS3 kit has arrived. It's another kit from CT Carbon. As you can see, it is the new model. It's the 8Y RS3. It's actually got a spoiler on it already, but of course, we're going to be taking that off, putting a carbon one on. But yeah, it looks cool, but it's going to look better. We've got a carbon kit. It's going to go on there. Joe's actually already put this bit on, which looks cool, whatever that is.
That bit is a carbon cap.
It's a carbon cap.
The factory gloss black. Front splitter on. Job done. Typical.
So we've taken the wheels off.
Yeah, wheels are off because we've got to take the bumper off to fit the rear diffuser. Pain in the backside, but it'll look better, so we don't stress. Just like that, that's how you remove the rear lights.
So the bumper is now off. Took
way too long.
Way too long. Probably about 15-20 minutes. But yeah, so the bumper is now off. Just time to stick the diffuser on. And we've got to put all this back together. So right, so it's been about an hour.
Yeah, Travis had to leave me alone for a little while because I was getting a little bit stressed. Diffuser's now fitted to the bumper. Bumper's just got to go back on the car.
Right, so Joe has now just got to put the bumper back onto the car with the carbon diffuser. He's got to put the wheels back on. And yeah, and then that'll be it done. Right, so the rear diffuser is now on. Would you say that's probably your most difficult car to do?
Yeah, that's probably the worst thing I've done for a long while.
I mean, how long did that just take?
That took me, so it's now 10 to 5, and I started it straight after lunch, and this took me, yeah, a good hour and a half to do the diffuser. And now, just got the spoiler to fit, and then job done. Right, so kit's done, front splitter's on, side skirts are on, rear diffuser and rear spats, and the spoiler lip. So all we're waiting for now is just waiting for the spacers to turn up, and then we'll give it a clean, and then it'll be on the site soon. So stay tuned for when it goes live.
Coming up to it.
What's going on there, Joe?
So my foot's been on the brake for about 10 minutes because this is black ice, and if I let go of it, I'm sliding into Nick's car.
You alright there, Nick?
Mate, this isn't good. This is where I slid. I literally stopped back there and I braked and my car was just sliding, and this is how close I ended up to the fence. Honestly, that's how, this is all sliding. If I let go of the brake, I'm slapping straight into this wall. I mean, kettle or something.
Max is going to hit the deck.
Get for a we all, I reckon, wedge yourself between the guys. Yeah, that's the polo, this is the goal.
Sorry boys, can't help.
You got the brake on top.
Come here. Oh, now we need to find the other patch. Where's the other patch?
Oh, Max, you get a 10 if you can go up in 5 seconds.
How you going on? Not bad, are you?
Hi, looking forward to it.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How you going on?
Very good, thanks. So yeah, it's a big day. You came down, you're from Scotland?
Yeah.
Came down last night.
Came down last night on the train, all the way down here. Train's delayed all the way.
Oh no.
But don't really care. It was, you knew what the end game was, so.
How many tickets did you buy?
10.
10 tickets.
Do you know, it's quite unusual actually, because I usually buy 2 or 3, but I usually do, you know, I don't know, 5 or 6 different ones.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I still did the other ones that I would normally do, you know, I did a few, but for this one, this is actually my son's favourite car, is an Audi R8.
Oh, okay.
So, and I obviously like an Audi R8 as well, so I goes, do you know what, I'll just buy a few extra tickets. I just bought 10.
Alright, it was 99p, right? So, £9.90.
For an Audi R8, aye. You go into, you genuinely do, you go into these competitions, you think to yourself, am I going to win? Am I going to get a chance?
Yeah.
But you know what? It just goes to show you.
So you obviously, your son loves the car, you love the car, that's why you went for the car over the cash.
Let's be honest, how often do you get a chance to, you know, go out and get a car like this and just... It's unbelievable, really, to be honest with you. It's not, I'm actually like that. How beautiful is this? I don't believe that. That's absolutely stunning.
So it's obviously had the upgrade wheels as well, so you got the V10 performance wheels, full Maxton kit all round. You got the carbon side blades as well. Doesn't really get much better.
It doesn't, does it? Oh
Yeah,
man, I
that's
don't know
a
what to
bit
say. I genuinely don't know what to say. Do you know, see if I was going to go and pick an Audi R8,
Yeah.
I would pick that.
That's better.
That car. See the colour, the combination of wheels, the skirts, and
It's timeless, isn't it? It doesn't even look.
no, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. You just can't describe it. You genuinely can't describe it. It's just such an amazing feeling. And do you know when you come down and you actually see the car and you touch it, and it's just unbelievable. It's just. You think about it, you think, oh, you'd love to win it, but see when you actually do it, it's kind of all kind of fuzzy and hazy, and you just go, what the hell's going on? But it's a good feeling, a really good feeling.
Who was the first person who told you about that you won?
Coincidentally, it was my son's favourite car, and I was sitting in the living room, and my son's 17. We're sitting talking about it, we're sitting talking, watching TV and all that. I said I'd entered to win an RA, he's like, oh, I hope you win. And it got to 8 o'clock. I waited to 8:06, no phone call. So I said to him, looks like I've no won. And then 6 minutes later, the phone rang. So my wife and my son were in the living room, and they actually thought I was kidding on. They thought I was ripping it. So when they found out it was actually true, it was a wee bit of a party in my house. So it was a great feeling. Everybody was over it. And then it was just phone call after phone call after phone call. Guess what? Just won an RA! Great experience from start to finish. For the phone call, for coming down, to meeting the guys, for being picked up, to coming here, absolutely fantastic, brilliant.
Well, that is pretty much us. You're now free to go in your RA. Congratulations, mate.
Thank you.
Awesome win.
I can't explain. I'm so grateful. Really am grateful.
Good.
Thanks
No,
so
I'm
much.
glad that everything went the way that you hoped it would.
Aye. Do you know what? It's, see, coming down the train, this train was delayed, that train was delayed, you have to go to here. I'm like, I can't even say that name, I never know what it is. And all of it, you know, none of it was really a hassle, because you know where you're coming from.
Yeah.
So